In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the locked-on stabilization effect in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to your Fusion tab, going to your tools and searching up Planar Tracker. And you're going to put it in between the media in and media out. Making sure that this is highlighted, you're going to go into your inspector, change the motion type to translation, and make sure the reference time is set. You're then going to trace around the area that you want to be tracked, and from there you're going to click on track to end, which is then going to show you what it's tracking. Now, once you're done that, and if you're satisfied with the way that it has tracked your